What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. So this morning I actually got a DM from Headlight Auto and they told me that the car will be ready by 5 p.m. It's currently about 4:50 and I'm on my way. Unfortunately we did hit traffic, so we're gonna get there like just after 5 p.m. But I did ask them to cover it for me and stuff. I want to do a nice little review for the video and also for us, our reaction and everything. So yeah, we're about to pull up right now. I'm super excited. It's like I know what to expect, but at the same time I have no idea what to expect. Like, I don't know, I'm super excited and I just can't wait to drive the car again. What do you want to say?
I'm ready to see the new rep.
It's paint. Just kidding. Alright guys, let's pick up the camera as soon as I get there. I'm about to pull into the parking lot. Oh, I see my car, but it's covered. But I see it. Oh, check it out guys. I asked them to cover my car for me. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh my god. You guys see the car? It looks so sick. And I haven't even seen it yet. Oh my god. Alright, we need to go tell them we're here. Alright guys, so we're right here in front of the shop. You guys can see obviously the car right here. And oh my god, I'm so nervous to see it.
Let me know when you're ready, yeah?
You got it?
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright, you can go ahead. We're about to see what the car is. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh god, that looks so nice. You okay? Oh my god, that looks so clean. Alright, I'm pretty sure you guys know what color this is if you guys have been watching for a while, but here it is guys. Oh man. Oh my god, I had to go with the Nardo Gray. Oh my god, I've been wanting this color for such a long time. Oh my god. Bro. Oh my god, it looks so nice. Dude. Literally a brand new car.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Oh my god, that looks so nice. Oh my god, that Nardo with the black accents looks so sick. I'm so happy I did the wheels. I mean, they're super dirty right now, but oh my god. Black roof. We finally did the black trim. The car needs a good wash, but Jesus. I don't even know what to say, guys. I'm literally speechless. The car looks amazing. It's literally a brand new car. I can't stop staring at it. Oh my god. Jesus, that looks so nice. Oh my god, just look at it from the front, guys. Oh,
you like
good.
it?
Hell yeah, bro. Thank you so much.
Awesome, yeah.
I appreciate
Glad
it.
you like it.
Of course.
Gracias, gracias.
What do you think, baby?
Nice.
What do you think?
Nice, I like it.
You like it? Alright guys, we just took the car. We came to the gas station because my mom needed gas. She's the one that brought me to pick it up. But yeah, like I'm pretty much speechless, guys. I don't even know what to say. Like, I just told my girl this, but I wasn't expecting it to look bad or anything, but I don't know, it just looks way better than I thought it was gonna look.
I think you weren't ready to soak in the color yet. So you weren't ready to see what was gonna come, you know?
Maybe,
like,
yeah. And two, I think maybe because I've never seen an M5 this color, and I've myself never gotten a wrap job, like a full car wrap job. So I didn't know what to expect. Like, I've seen it in videos, I've seen cars wrapped in person and all that, but I think it's different when it's your own and it's like the full entire car. not to think that they were gonna do a bad job or anything, but just like the car in general and like the wrap and everything, I didn't know what to expect with it. Yeah, I don't know. It looks way better than I thought it was gonna look. The car literally is getting to like show car like spec, and I don't even know how to feel. I've been wanting this color for as long as I can remember. I think since I had my old car, my 535, it's been like 2-3 years already that it's been like 3 years almost that like I've seen this color out on cars, and I'm just like, one day I want to get my car wrapped that color. But I don't think I could ever bring myself to pay that much money on the car for something that I really wanted. Like I said, like I really wanted and not needed. So like I'm just super thankful and everything. Makes me want to cry again, but yeah, guys. I think I'm gonna go home and get like my family's reaction, and then I wanted to meet up with some friends and get their reactions, but one of them works today, and then one of them is actually coming to close to where I'm at. He said he needs to pick something up. And I told him I don't have my car yet because he asked me if I had it. So we're gonna see his reaction when he pulls up, and yeah, I'm gonna just wait until I can pump gas, and then yeah, guys, I'll get back to you guys in a bit. What do you think?
I like it. It looks cool.
That's it? It just looks cool?
Yeah, it looks dope. I wanted that color.
Alright, chill,
So I
lads.
had that color kind of in the Scion.
Kinda.
Yeah.
We're back home, guys, by the way. Look, guys, this is what I'm gonna have parked. I don't know if in the driveway all the time. My dad's just always letting me park in the driveway, but this is what I'm gonna have here at the house every day. That's crazy. Alright, guys, so my friend Dan just pulled up. I told him to wait around the corner, and then I just told him to chill in his car, probably ask him to keep his eyes closed. And I'm about to drive over there, and then I'll get his reaction. But yeah, I'm just making sure he's there. I didn't tell him that I got my car back, but I'm pretty sure he knows if I'm telling him to wait over there. But yeah, we're about to see right now. What's up, dude?
What up?
You ready or what?
Yeah. Are we turning now?
You have any guesses yet? Did you ever
Frozen
guess?
white.
Frozen white, that's your guess?
Frozen white.
That's your guess? Go ahead.
Oh shit. Damn.
What do you think?
Jeez, this one looks fucking nice.
This is the color that I've been wanting
Is it Nardo gray?
forever.
I
Yeah.
was telling Selena I was gonna get that in this color, and I can't.
Really?
Yeah.
In Nardo? Hey, we can be twinning it.
Oh, they look super nice. It was
Thanks.
fast.
Yeah, it was pretty fast.
Now you have the best M5 out.
At least around here.
Oh, around here, I haven't seen another M5 like this now.
I've never seen, at least in person, I've seen like 2 or 3 online,
Yeah.
but in person, I've never seen an Nardo Gray on an M5.
Fucking nice, super nice. Congrats.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. What's up, guys? It's now the next day. Yesterday we kind of just enjoyed the rest of the day with Dan. That's the guy who you guys saw get my reaction. Well, I got his reaction. Anyways, my brother just pulled up back from his little trip that he was at, and I want to get his reaction to the car. So you guys see it out there. Whoosh, looks so clean. But I told him to come downstairs real quick because he's upstairs, and yeah, we're gonna get his reaction. So stay tuned for that. Are you ready to see it?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I'm lucky blind. Shit, dude, it looks like a whole different car.
It does, huh? What do you think?
Dude, everything else popped out so much more.
This is the color you thought it was gonna get?
No. Over here told me Tiffany blue.
But you said, you're like, I think I know it.
Oh, nah. Nah. I always knew you were gonna do Nardo, but you never really said Nardo about this car.
Yeah.
You said Nardo about like something else, but
The 535.
nothing like this. I honestly thought you were gonna do some type of like red or like
Crazy.
something like different, yeah. But I don't see any Nardo actually.
What do you think, bud? Thanks. Nah, he don't care.
Even the headlights do like such a good like combination and everything.
What do you think? Good choice? Hey, what do you think? What do you think? No? You don't like it? Say hi, guys. Like it? Alright, guys, I just washed the car, but this is a little bit of a fail of a reaction, but I called up the homie to come pull up and see the car. What's up, dude?
Crazy.
What do you think?
Damn, bro. That's a whole new car, bro.
It is. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Good, good.
Yo, you. That shit's crazy. Hey, low key, bro, you got the best M5. No cap, no cap.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it.
What are you keeping there? All the snacks you're gonna try?
At the M5 now?
Hell yeah. Oh, not go over there? Oh shit, Mr. M5. What the fuck? Wrapped already? Wow, bro, that's a nice color. Yeah, keep it on the drive there so we can look at the car.
Hey, how do you focus it?
Oh, wait. Oh yeah, ready.
Oh shit. Damn, Anthony.
Hey, that's my M5.
What do you think, bro?
Man, that shit's beautiful.
I just got it back on Tuesday.
Now it looks like an M5, bro.
Why are we saying that? Oh, John said the same thing. He's like, now it looks like a
Now it
real
looks
M5.
meaner for some reason. Like, it looks wider and meaner.
It does look wider.
It looks wider because you can see all the body lines.
Yeah, I think so
Yeah,
too.
definitely.
Because before
What do
it
you
was
think?
kinda dark.
Good choice or what?
Hell yeah, man. Absolutely.
Well, this is the choice.
Love it, bro. The feeder looks awesome. Especially all these new paint.
color right
Yeah.
Rings. It looks nice.
Alright guys, it is now the next day after the last clip you guys just saw. Yeah, I've had the car since Tuesday. Today is Friday, so I've had it for about almost 4 days. But yeah, like, I don't even know what to say, guys. I'm honestly super speechless, super grateful. You guys saw me when they actually did the reaction. I was speechless. I didn't know what to say. I got teary-eyed again. I'm just super grateful for this opportunity, and super grateful for my girl doing this for me. Like I said, I would never do this for myself. It's too much money to be able to spend on myself, even less on the car for something that I want. So yeah, super grateful that my girl was able to do this for me. I honestly don't even know what to say, guys. Like, the car looks ridiculously nice, and this is honestly a dream come true, guys. Like, one thing is having the M5. Obviously that's my dream car and everything, and even till this day it's still kind of crazy. I think mainly when I look back at pictures of like the day that I got in and stuff, it's like, damn, like that actually happened. But being able to mod an M5 like this, guys, is not something anybody can do. So I'm so thankful for the help and the people I have around me, and thankful for you guys always watching the videos. You guys are the people who motivate me to really keep going on the car and keep going on these videos and all that stuff. I know I only have 6K subscribers and all that, but you guys really show a lot of support and a lot of love, and it's really appreciated. And honestly, one of the reasons why I just keep making the videos, apart from the reason that I love making these videos, I love the process of filming, editing, everything, and then uploading and seeing all you guys' messages and all that stuff. It means a lot to me, and that's the reason why I do this. But yeah, hopefully you guys did like the car. Hopefully you guys did like the color. This is a color that I've been wanting for such a long time, and I know people might not like it too much because it's a color that just recently a lot of people are starting to do. But I've never seen an actual M5 this color, or really I've never really seen an F10 this color, especially in person. I've seen a few only in pictures, so not even a lot, but an M5 in this color in person or even pictures I've never seen before. Really cool to just have a little bit more of a unique M5 out here in Cali, SoCal. I really wanted to do a wrap to make the car more, I guess, stand out more, make it more my own. When people see this car, they're gonna know it's Anthony's, not just an M5 on the road and be like, oh, that's a sick M5, you know what I mean? Yeah, I really love this color, and I'm super stoked with the way it came out. Like, the job was A1. That's my car, guys. That's my car. That's crazy. So yeah, anyways, guys, sorry it took a little bit longer to get the video out. I just really wanted to get my friends' reactions. They're some of my closest friends out here, and yeah, I just really wanted to get the reactions to make the video a little more interesting, and I just really wanted to see the reactions in person. So, but anyways, I'm gonna just go ahead and end it here, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Hopefully you guys did like the color again. but yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Huge shout out to Headline Auto Design. I'm gonna leave their Instagram in the description below. I'm gonna leave my girl's Instagram in the description below in case you guys want to shoot a follow. My Instagram is down there too in case you guys want to shoot a follow. But anyways, yeah, with all that being said, guys, I hope you guys liked the video once again, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.